1972 Lincoln Cent. Today, we are diving into the 1972 Lincoln Cent, a coin that may seem ordinary at first but hides some valuable and rare varieties that can sell for hundreds or even thousands of dollars at auction. Stay tuned as we explore its history, design, rarity, and record-breaking auction prices. History of the 1972 Lincoln Cent. The Lincoln Cent series began in 1909 to honor the 100th anniversary of Abraham Lincoln's birth. Designed by Victor David Brenner, the coin's obverse has remained mostly unchanged for over a century. By 1972, the Lincoln Cent was still being struck in its 95% copper composition, but rising copper prices would soon force a change to a zinc-based composition in 1982. The 1972 Lincoln Cent was minted at 3 locations: Philadelphia Mint, no mint mark, 2,933,255,000 minted. Denver Mint, D, mint mark, 2,665,071,400 minted. San Francisco Mint, S, mint mark, 376,939,108 minted, mostly for proof sets. With billions of these coins produced, most are common. However, some rare varieties, especially the 1972 double die obverse (DDO), can make certain coins extremely valuable. Design of the 1972 Lincoln Cent obverse. Front side features a right-facing portrait of Abraham Lincoln, designed by Victor D. Brenner. "In God We Trust" is inscribed above Lincoln's head. Liberty appears to the left. The date, 1972, is on the right, with or without a mint mark. D for Denver, S for San Francisco, or no mint mark for Philadelphia. Reverse back side displays the Lincoln Memorial, a design by Frank Gasparo, introduced in 1959. If you look closely, you can see a tiny statue of Lincoln inside the memorial. The inscriptions include United States of America at the top, E pluribus unum just below, 1 cent at the bottom. Rarity and valuable varieties of the 1972 Lincoln Cent. While most 1972 Lincoln Cents are only worth face value, certain varieties and high-grade examples can be worth hundreds or even thousands of dollars. 1. 1972 double die obverse (DDO), the most valuable variety. The 1972 DDO FS101 is one of the most famous double die errors in U.S. coinage history. This error was caused when the die struck the coin twice in slightly different positions, creating a strong doubling effect on the date, Liberty, and "In God We Trust." This variety is highly collectible and can bring in big money at auction. Value of the 1972 double die obverse DDO FS101 circulated condition, $150. $500 uncirculated, MS 63 red, $1,000. $2,000 uncirculated, MS 65 red or higher, $3,000. $6,000 plus auction highlight. A 1972 DDO in MS 67 red sold for over $14,400 at auction. 2. Other minor double die varieties. Less dramatic doubling. There are at least 10 different double die varieties for the 1972 Lincoln Cent, but most are not as dramatic as the FS101. These lesser DDO varieties typically sell for $20 to $300, depending on the strength of the doubling and the coin's condition. 3. 1972 Lincoln Cent with high-grade red color. Collectors highly value red RD Lincoln Cents, meaning the coin has retained its original bright copper color without turning brown. MS 67 RD, $500. $1, 500 MS 68 RD, extremely rare. $10,000 plus auction highlight. A 1972 Lincoln Cent graded MS 68 RD sold for over $7,000 at auction. 1972 Lincoln Cent proof coins. San Francisco Mint, S. Mint mark, 1972 as proof. PR67 to PR69 $5. $30 1972 as proof. PR70 deep cameo. Perfect grade $1,000 plus while. Proof coins are beautiful, they are not as rare as some of the DDO varieties. How to identify a 1972 DDO Lincoln cent. If you think you have a 1972 double die obverse, check these areas. Look for strong doubling on Liberty, in God we trust. And the date, 1972. The doubling should be clear and not caused by machine doubling, which looks flatter and less distinct. If unsure, use a magnifying glass or take the coin to a professional coin grader, PCGS or NGC. How to sell a 1972 Lincoln cent. If you think you have a valuable 1972 Lincoln cent, here's how to sell it for the best price. Check its condition, if it has strong doubling or is in high grade. It could be worth hundreds or thousands of dollars. Get it graded. A PCGS or NGC certification can dramatically increase the coin's value. Sell online. Websites like eBay, heritage auctions, and great collections are great for selling valuable coins. Visit a coin dealer or auction house. Professional numismatists can help appraise and sell your coin. Final thoughts. The 1972 Lincoln cent may be common, but certain varieties, especially the double die obverse DDO FS101, can be worth thousands of dollars. If you have a 1972 penny, take a close look, it might be a hidden treasure. That's all for today's deep dive into the 1972 Lincoln cent. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more coin collecting insights. Thanks for watching, and happy collecting!